If you run a roofing business, competitors aren't just outranking you, they are outcovering you, capturing territory where your business doesn't even exist. On this search dashboard, a typical roofer appears for 137 searches. An optimized competitor shows up for over 600. The problem is single keyword obsession. Contractors build a page for roofer near me, ignoring hundreds of other ways homeowners actually search. When you put all your focus on one generic phrase, you remain invisible to homeowners searching with specific language. We call this empty space the ranking gap. It's the stretch of high-intent search queries where your website never appears. While you monitor a rank tracker for 5 obvious terms, rival companies are pulling in exclusive leads every single day from these uncontested areas. Ranking first for a single term still leaves 80% of the local market search volume untouched and open for your competitors to claim. When a homeowner has water dripping through their ceiling, they rarely type generic industry terms into their phone. They search based on their specific problem, their material, and their budget. They ask Google things like, "Does insurance pay for a storm-damaged roof?" Or "Best shingles for Connecticut weather?" Or "How much does a new roof cost?" If your website is built exclusively to answer the question, "Who is a roofer near me?" search engines will bypass you when a customer asks these complex questions. You are effectively removed from their decision-making process. To capture this fragmented market, you have to deploy the query expansion system. Here is a single node representing a basic roof replacement page. The system expands to capture financial intent, including costs and deductibles. Next, we map situational branches for storm damage and timelines. Finally, it organizes these variations into informational, commercial, and transactional buckets. This interconnected architecture creates dense topical authority. It signals to search engines that your business is the definitive expert for that entire service category in your region. Instead of concentrating keywords onto a single page, this architecture distributes them across a logical hierarchy. This structure acts as a guide, leading homeowners from their initial problem directly towards your contact form. Capturing every variation of a search allows you to answer a homeowner's specific question at the moment they ask it, effectively preempting the search for a competitor. This deep coverage is now a technical requirement. Google's algorithm no longer looks for exact word matches. It scans for a comprehensive understanding of the entire topic. Homeowners are also bypassing traditional search bars to ask conversational questions to AI engines like ChatGPT and Gemini. If your website lacks complete topical coverage, these AI assistants will likely omit your company from their recommendations in favor of a more comprehensive source. Applying this to your website starts with pinpointing exactly where your current strategy is leaking revenue, and that is the role of SEO 4GO. This diagnostic layer acts as an X-ray. It scans your existing website architecture and overlays it onto the expanded search map, revealing zones where you lack coverage. It specifically identifies competitor gaps, the high-intent searches where rival roofing companies are appearing while you are absent. This provides a data-driven view of your market. In under 60 seconds, it uses your actual local results to show exactly what you are missing. Identifying these gaps is the first phase of the complete Gadgetlesstech Ranking System. You cannot conquer territory that you cannot see. SEO 4GO replaces speculative marketing with surgical search intelligence. Once those gaps are exposed, we transition into a custom 90-day ranking blueprint to reclaim that lost market share. Consider this question: how much of your roofing search market are you actually covering? If you don't know the answer, it's time to find the leaks. Take the challenge and identify your ranking gaps today. Every day you wait to map your search footprint is another day a competitor claims your local territory. Run your audit and start establishing your presence across the modern search landscape.